EDC, or everyday carry, is perhaps one of my favorite segments on any YouTube channel and the interweb as a whole. Now, I'm not here to fool you that what I'm about to show you is exactly the way I travel every single day, but rather inspire you for items and combinations that you might find useful in your own daily routine. I do use most of the items as you'll see them now, so I'm confident in my recommendations. With that being said, this video is brought to you by ThisIsE, the online digital center that covers all your mobile accessory needs, including my needs to present you with this interesting color-coordinated iPad EDC. Stay tuned to get 10% off ThisIsE's entire lineup of accessories, most of which you'll see right after this. Hey guys, this is E, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Iskren and most people call me E, and let's start with the back, or rather the sleeve, which is by STM and it's called Ridge. It is designed for compact laptops, but it's perfect for the 11-inch iPad Pro even if you decide to throw your tablet in with a magic keyboard and pencil combo. It doesn't have shoulder straps or a huge variety of pockets, but that's the reason I picked it, because it's clean and compact. Most of all, the main compartment cradles the iPad with its protective foam and super soft lining. Alongside quilted padding, it provides a great way to safeguard any gear. Also, it is very inexpensive and it comes in a variety of colors. By the way, all products will be carefully detailed in the description below. Moving on with the MVP of this video, and that is the 11-inch iPad Pro. I've done a couple of videos about this amazing device where I go into details and comparisons between it and its big brother, so I'll make sure to link them right below the like button as well. What's different here is that the silver 11-inch iPad Pro is dressed with a deep brand skin, part of the company's new pastel lineup. Believe it or not, the color is called pastel black, and I've bundled it with sunset red camera and sides, which I haven't found the time to apply yet. The iPad goes everywhere with the pencil, but I'm sure there's no need for me to explain to you how they work. The iPad lives alone in the front pocket. I don't like anything potentially scratching my tablet. I might put a piece of paper or two at the most. In the front pocket of the Ridge sleeve there are 4 items. One of them is heavier than all the items that you'll see combined. That is the Anker PowerCore Plus 26800 BD portable charger. As we all know, Anker has nothing to prove when it comes to high quality charging solutions, and the PowerCore Plus is one of their most capable power banks. With it, I can charge my phone 7 times and juice up pretty much anything around the house like laptops, tablets and Nintendo Switches. It definitely comes with me wherever I travel. Next up in the front sleeve is perhaps the cutest portable SSD by Sandisk, called Extreme Portable SSD. I ordered mine in 1TB and it is perfect combination for the iPad Pro. It's not the fastest, but it's no slouch either. It delivers transfers with up to 550 MB per second read speeds. It is perfect for saving and editing high-resolution photos and videos. With an IP55 rating, it also holds no beef with some rain, splashes, spills and dust. It's USB-C and it works with Windows and Mac, maybe even Linux. Yes, I get questions like that every once in a while. Another cute item to show you is the Hyperdrive 6-in-1 USB-C hub. This one is specifically made for the Pro models of the tablet because not all hubs are recognized by the iPad OS, and it delivers not only 4K at 60Hz signal, but a total of 6 ports. 3.5mm audio jack, USB-A, SD, microSD, USB-C and HDMI. What I love about it is the precision milled aluminum enclosure that hugs the sharp edges of the iPad Pro, and the fact that it is available in space gray and silver, matching the appearance and design lines of the host. My only regret is that it doesn't come with a carrying pouch. The 4th item in the front pocket of the sleeve, and many times in my jeans, is the UAG or Urban Armor Gear AirPods silicone case. This case is available for both the AirPods Pro and non-Pro models, and it is perhaps one of the most rugged solutions out there that you can throw around pretty much anywhere. The case is made of one piece, which makes it more secure to keep the AirPods lid closed, thus not resulting in flying pods. It has detachable carabiner included, quick release button, it is wireless charging compatible, and it comes in my favorite orange color. Moving on to my watch, which is the Apple Watch Series 4, dressed in the cheapest silicone gray band matching the rest of my accessories. I've had numerous questions about it, and I'll be sure to put a link below. Although inexpensive, it is soft and comfortable just as much as the OEM Apple bands. In fact, I got 3 of those for the price of a coffee. The watch is also protected by a RhinoShield Crash Guard NX, which RhinoShield was kind enough to send me alongside a bunch of awesome cases and other bumpers. The Crash Guard NX has two-part design that allows for customized color pairings. In my case, it's black and orange. With 7 frame colors and 11 rim colors to choose from, you can build a case that is perfect for you. To be honest, it has saved my watch more than once. Also, it makes your watch unique from all your friends' watches, and I can't tell you how many times people have asked me about it. My iPhone 11 Pro Max also rocks the Crash Guard NX, thus making it unique with this orange and black color combo. To spice things up even more, I use the same D brand pastel skin with a splash of red or orange on the camera bump. To protect my scratchy iPhone screen, and I've talked about that in my iPhone 11 Pro 10 months later video, I use a popular tempered glass screen protector. And by popular, I mean I don't remember what brand it is, but whatever it is, today's video partner ThisIsE has me covered because they have a massive variety of premium products and accessories ranging from all the latest Apple devices to screen protectors, cases, professional tools, and even spare parts and repair kits for your laptop and smartphone. They ship worldwide and have excellent customer service, so be sure to stop by their website and use coupon code ThisIsE to get 10% off their entire lineup of accessories. Finally, in my left pocket always lives the Ridge wallet, and it's not there right now. Although it bears the same name as the sleeve, they are different brands. The Ridge wallet is aluminum and it comes in this gunmetal color. It has lived up well over the last year, although it has been through a lot. I love it because it's minimal, tough, it is RFID blocking, and it can hold up to 12 cards. Also, it has lifetime warranty. I mean, what else do you need in life? It's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.